Alright, got that all furred out. I got my measurements. I'm about to start cutting my bottom plates. Then I'll start cutting my studs. I'll cut my top plates. Got my measurement. It's gonna go straight here, over. Gonna be a closet right here for this room right here. And then that bathroom's gonna be right there. Doorway will be right here. So, let's see. Can you imagine it? Got the niche. I wouldn't trade a single day. How you doing? Good morning, good morning. If y'all remember yesterday, there was a window there. I've got this wall framed up. Homeowner actually framed up this closet. Not bad, not bad. Huh? I mean, actually, I don't know. What is this? That's not acceptable in my book. Alright. It's not bad, not bad. We got that one up, we got that wall up, we got this one coming up. We'll be getting there. Alright, there it is. Homeowner's hopefully gonna be back soon. I'm about to pack up for the day. Tomorrow we'll get these walls in. Pocket door gonna go right there. He's getting the top plate right now to go from there all the way over to this corner. And now come up and tie in along that. Get it done. We'll get done tomorrow, or at least with my part. Getting 3 days on schedule. God is good.